So now that you've got the basics down for D2L Brightspace, how do you actually grade assignments? How do you actually create assignments and places for your students to submit? And how do you actually grade them? You can start by going over to the grades tab here, and you're going to want to start at what's called the setup wizard so that you can set up the overall branches of the class, how you want them to look. For example, you can do a weighted grading system, but for this example, we're just going to do a basic points category to do it that way. You can decide how you want the grade to go. For me, I like this automatically release final grade system just so that students can automatically get it. You can go from there, and you can kind of look through these individual little sections to set up the grade how you want, making it a letter grade, percentage, managing the display, the way that the students can see it, and once you're here, you can check your overall summary, and if you're happy with how everything looks, you can click finish. And then once you're done with that, let's talk about the manage grades tab over here. And what you can do with this tab is you can separate it into items and you can separate it into categories. Starting with the categories, you can make it something as simple as homework, or if you're a instructor that likes to divide it into weeks, this could be, for example, week number 1. When you're looking at distribution, you can see if this was homework and you wanted all of your homework to be worth the exact same amount, you could have it distribute points across all items. So let's do it this way. Let's do it 10 points per item so that all our homework assignments are worth the exact same amount. Then hit save and close, and you'll see that assignment here for homework show up here. And now we can create a new item. And you can decide what you want it to be. For homework, it would make sense to be numeric, but if you want it to be something like pass-fail, if you want it to be a select box, make it just a straight letter grade, A, B, C, D. But let's just go with numeric for now and call it, let's just do week 1 homework. There we go. Save and close. And then once we've got this week 1 homework, we can go over to enter grades, and you'll see a student here and you'll see their score for week 1 homework. And it's as simple as just typing the score that they got. So let's say they got a 10 out of 10, save your changes, and there we go. That's how you can create categories, create items, set up how you want it to look, whether you want it to be weighted or point-based, and how you enter your students' grades.